Hi, we're at Mobile World Congress here in Barcelona, and we're going to give an update on the triple challenge of network transformation. So the triple challenge is all about how operators deploy three new technologies, namely 100 gig transport pipes, VoLTE, voice over LTE, as well as carrier network virtualization, SDN and NFV. Now we've seen a lot of this in the news most recently with operators reporting that they're deploying at least two of those three technologies at the same time. So Gigamon predicted this and we're now beginning to see it happen. We have operators that are contacting us to say, hey, can you help us to de-risk the rollouts of these new areas? So what I'm going to do now is talk about some of the features that we have, starting off with GDB correlation. So that's the ability for us to correlate the control plane with the user plane so that you can map the correct traffic to the correct tools. Filtering allows us to send only the correct traffic to specific tools to reduce down the data. You've got to reduce down a lot of the data. We have another feature called Flow View, which is all about how we scale traffic to fit a specific tool. So if a certain tool only runs at a certain rate, then we can drive that tool at that rate and to do sampling just to provide the exact type of data at the exact speeds that that tool needs. Now finally, we also have APF, adaptive packet filtering, and that allows us to map the contents of the body of the packet with the header of the packet. So for an operator's perspective, what that allows us to do is to be able to send just a specific flow or including a specific subscriber who's using a specific device at a specific location at a specific time. So it really allows the operator to home in on where an issue could be, to correlate the data so you're only sending the right data to the right tools to enable you to find the problem faster. Now, in addition to all of those four features, we can service chain them to allow you to find a much deeper level of insight about the subscribers and the content. As well as we have a new 2-port 100 gig card that breaks out into 8 10 gig ports, so you can really get in there and tap those 100 gig interfaces and break the data out into multiple lower speed interfaces going into your existing tools, which allows you to preserve your existing tool rate. So this update will provide some information about what we're doing from the solutions perspective for the triple challenge of network transformation and helps the operators to deploy or de-risk the deployment of new technologies.